One of the deepest fears I've heard perpetrated in the use of sex toys is that it will replace one's partner. That is not true at all. Zakans who have a saying that adia yedin sayeno, yedin suya enye yeda. Water is not a good replacement for wine. And it's practically true. You cannot use water for what wine can do. At least you can't be intoxicated on water. Yeah, so a toy cannot hug you when you want comfort. A toy cannot give you a kiss or cuddle you. It's just an enhancer, like men use various concoctions for enhancers, which even affects their kidney, but they still go ahead to use it. This is just like an enhancer. It's a tool. So however you want to use the tool is up to you. We have so many tools around us, like AI, and we have a lot of myths around AI. It's the same thing. So a toy cannot replace your husband or your wife unless you, the man or the woman, you are not present in your partner's life. That is where you have fear that something like a toy can replace you. Because if you are there for your partner, if you give your partner a listening ear, if you are the partner you are supposed to be, you need not have any fear that a toy is going to replace you. There are so many things that a human being does for another human being that a toy cannot do. Even in the use of toy, I know comparatively, people talk about maybe the man cannot perform to the level of the toy. That's why it's supposed to enhance your performance, not replace you altogether. And I don't think if you take 100% of women, even 2% will say that the toy is replacing their husbands. It's not possible. So you need no fear. So far as you are a present husband or wife, so far as you are present in your partner's life, a toy is not going to replace you. People are cheating on their partners. That's what is replacing their partners. So I don't think toys are capable of replacing partners. Yes, people talk about addiction, and I'm of the view that anything that you use can be addictive, even food. People eat and they get addicted to food so that they are not able to stop eating. So whatever you do, so long as you make your desires supersede your reasoning, you are going to get addicted to it. I don't think the toy of itself is capable of replacing a good and present partner. People have reasons for using sex toys, and I had the opportunity to talk to a number of them, and most have legitimate reasons. I mean, from what they narrate to me, most have legitimate reasons. And in the next episode, I'm going to talk about why women especially use sex toys. My name is Agyekumwaa. Join me for the next episode. Don't forget to follow.